I bet by now you're seeing a ton of people who've created video and their videos are generating all kinds of traffic, and heck, they might be becoming influencers even, and you're wondering, how can I do that for my brand? Well, today we're gonna discuss that, and guess what? It's a heck of a lot easier than you think. Hey everyone, my name is Atiba de Souza, and I am the founder and CEO of Client Attraction Pros. We are a video-first content marketing agency. This is going to be super simple. I'm gonna show you 3 steps today. These are the 3 steps that you've got to do. Now, can you do a ton more? Yes, but we're going to focus on 3 steps today to get you publishing video real fast. Step 1, it all starts with research. Now, your research, I don't want you to get scared by that term. A lot of people get scared by the word research, but here's what you're going to do. Very simply, just get out a piece of paper and write down 5 to 7 topics that relate to your business, your brand, or your product. That's it. Then go to google.com, type each term in. It's going to start to give you some results, and then it's going to give you a section which you've seen already. It's called People Also Ask. This is the secret. The key to video is answering specific questions that real people ask. Look at that list and decide, okay, first question on the list, that's a good one for me. Next question, not so great. Don't worry about it. Skip it. Go to the next one. With your list of 5 to 7, you're going to easily find 30 to 40 questions that you can answer on video. Some of you might say, okay, I did that and I didn't find good questions. Maybe my topics were bad. If you run into that issue, here's how you solve it. Scroll all the way down to page 1, and down there, Google gives you related searches. Click on those and check out the People Also Ask. Guarantee you're going to find questions that you can answer. And I know you can answer them because you're already an expert in your field. These aren't going to be hard questions to answer. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. You want to answer the exact question that someone asked. Don't rephrase it. Don't change the question. And then turn on the camera and answer it. You've got to record the video. After the research, this is the next most important step. I get it. Sitting in front of a camera is nerve-wracking. I get it. So there are 2 ways to do that. Number 1, and this is the one I suggest for most people, get your spouse, get an employee, get a friend, give them the questions, let them sit across from you, put the camera between the 2 of you, have them just ask you the question and you just answer it and have a conversation. You see, by doing that, it takes the pressure off of you, feeling like, oh my gosh, who am I talking to? Oh my gosh, who's looking at me? Oh my gosh, what am I going to say? Because you're just answering the question to a friend. Real simple. Once you get that down, you'll eventually get to the place where you don't need the friend anymore. You can just turn the camera on and answer it. But start off with that friend or coworker or employee. Have them ask you the question and you're good to go. So we've done the research. You got a friend, you recorded the video. This is where the rubber meets the road, guys. This is where the rubber meets the road. Okay, and I told you this was going to be simple. Nothing I've given you so far has been hard. This next one is also simple physically to do. Mentally, it may take a little bit, and here's why. And I'm just going to tell you really quickly. I did those first 2 steps when I first started recording videos. And I recorded hundreds of hours of videos. And I did not do step 3. And it was an absolute waste of time. And here's why. Because step 3 is you publish it. You've got to go to YouTube. You've got to upload the video. Oh my gosh, but I need a thumbnail, and oh, I've got to transcribe it. No. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. For your first videos, after you record them, don't even re-watch the video. Don't, because you're going to second guess it. Go right away to YouTube and upload the video. Oh, but what title am I going to put on it? It doesn't matter. Just give the video a title. Oh, but doesn't it need a description? Forget the description right now. Just publish it. In your first 10 to 15 videos, you just need to build the muscle of hitting the publish button and getting over, I'm going to use the word, the fear of publishing. One of the beauties of YouTube is we can come back later and add the thumbnails, add the subtitles and the transcript file, add the description and all. We can add that stuff in later. So let's put this all together. First, we're going to start off with research. You've got to list those 5 to 7 topics. Go to Google, find that the people also ask section and find questions that you can answer. Next, get with a friend, have them ask you the question, turn the camera on, and just answer the question. Just talk to a friend. Once you hit end, especially if you're doing this on your phone, which I suggest early on, do it on your phone. Then go to the YouTube app on your phone and upload the video right there. That's step 3. It's time to knock out your competition. And the way you're going to do that is by starting to create video right now. I've given you 3 steps that you got to do. You do those 3 and you will start producing videos right away. Now, there's a ton more stuff that you can do with your videos to enhance the videos, to enhance the SEO of your videos. And I've got a checklist down below that you can go look at and grab as well. But what I want you to do for your first 5 videos is just go knock them out right now. Let's get it done.